Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? This is Sheetal Sapin Matre. Welcome back to my channel. If you are already a subscriber, in case if you're a new subscriber, I am so happy that you have come to check this channel. So today we are going to see how your coming week is going to be. So let's see our options. Option number 1 is this beautiful star. I'll keep it over here and then I'll show all the options to you again. Option number 2 is this beautiful ball, and option number 3 is this beautiful drum. All right, so let me show you all the 3 options. Option number 1, option number 2, and option number 3. All right, let me keep this together so it's more easier for you to decide. All right, option 1, 2, and option 3. In case if you want me to put it on, let me keep it down so that you can also have a look at it. There you go. Okay, option 1, 2, and 3. In case if you're confused as to which option to choose, you can simply make a chit of number 1, 2, and 3 and say, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how my coming week is going to be, and pick up one chit, whatever number that comes, that's going to be your pile. Alright guys, so let's get started. Hello group 1. So all those of you have chosen this beautiful star. So let's see your message regarding how your coming week is going to be. Let's start with the love card. Love message for you for the coming week. All right. What changes are going to come your way in the coming week? Oops, those cards just flew away. There were 2 more cards, so I will take all of them. Let's see what blessing are going to come your way in the coming week. Let's see message regarding your finances. Let's see what you need to surrender so that you have a great week ahead. Let's see message regarding your health in the coming week. And let's see the tarot cards. Once. All right, so let's get started. I think I shook the camera a bit. Yeah, now it's fine. I'm so sorry. I shook the camera. Let me just adjust it a bit more. Okay. So let's see your first card. All right, so definitely the week you're going to move ahead pretty swiftly. There will be some sort of decision making that you will have to make in the week ahead regarding you may be confused regarding that decision, but there will be support available. Plus you will also use your intuition to decide, whether you should take this way or that way. Whatever choice you need to make, you will be making a good choice in it. So definitely a lot of movement ahead in terms of whatever was stuck and not moving. I also feel that some of you may service your automobile or vehicle, or some of you may even buy a car in the coming week. Something to do with your car will be of importance in the week ahead. Car or vehicle or transport for that matter. Let's see your next card. Justice. So a lot of paperwork is going to be of importance in the week ahead. Things, a lot of documentation will be happening. Also matters related to law will be of importance, whether it is visa or whatever, matters related to legality, government, paperwork will be of importance in the week ahead. Some of you may also whatever you have sowed in the past, you're going to get the fruits of it in the coming week. So ensure that you also keep your karmas clean in the week ahead. Be fair to everybody around you and to yourself. All right, I'm also hearing that some of you are actually going to go through a lot of documentation, papers. You may also try and search some document which you would be required to submit. Okay, that's what also I am getting from this card. Also, some of you are going to pay a lot of attention to your weight, is what I'm getting. All right, let's see. The High Priestess. So definitely you are going to listen to your intuition. You're going to read a lot of books, guys. You're going to update your knowledge. You're also going to spend some time learning a new subject. You'll ensure that you do not share your secrets with others. I also feel that you are going to do some rituals during the weekend, is what I'm getting. Interesting. So when I look at all your cards, what I'm getting is that there will be some sort of decision which you will have to make during the beginning of the week, which you will be able to take, by weighing the pros and cons. You will be taking the decision, and during the weekend you will be kind of taking the decision ahead. So whatever decision you're chosen in the mid of the week, you will take it ahead, is what I'm getting. Some of you may even visit a psychic, or you may get a reading consultation done, is what I am also getting. So let's see your health ahead. Consult a nutritionist. I just said that weight would be of in your mind. Okay, so definitely you need to consult a proper nutritionist to get your whether it is not about gaining or losing weight. It is more with regard to the perspective of being healthy that you need to consult a nutritionist. Lovely. And also you need to eat healthy in the week ahead. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week. Surrender fear. We tend to hear a lot of fearful stories, and we unknowingly end up manifesting that fear. So you need to let go of your fear if you want to have a great week ahead. Also, you need to focus on solutions and not problems. And whatever movement is happening, even if it is a little movement, appreciate it. All right. Okay, let's see what the cards are saying regarding your finances. So I can see my eyes to the I can see my world through the eyes of the source. All right. By choosing better feeling thoughts and by speaking more of what you do want and less of what you do not want, you will gently tune yourself to the vibrational frequency of your broader perspective. To see a world through the eyes of Source is truly the most spectacular view of life. For from that vibrational vantage point, you are in alignment with and therefore in the process of attracting only what you consider to be the very best of your world. So basically, you should stop being thinking about what you do not want, but you should stop thinking about what you are afraid of and think what you want to manifest, especially with regards to your finances. So rather than being afraid that what if the business goes down, what if I lose my job, focus on how it would feel when so much of abundance will be there in your bank account, in your day-to-day life. So focus more on that, because you will attract more of whatever your frequency is going to be. Okay, so look at your world through the eyes of the creator, in which everything is going to be perfect, and even if something is not, there will be alternate options available. Now let's see what is a blessing coming your way. Blessing of peace after battle. So definitely there is some sort of struggle which is there, all right, and even with this card, okay, it may so happen that in the middle of the week you may have some sort of fight with somebody, especially with regards to the credit of this work belongs to me or something like that. And this card is saying that of this battle you will be the one who will be winning it, okay, and there'll be peace, okay, peace that you will receive once the battle is over, okay. You feel that relief happening. So maybe some of you are going to there is a legal case which will come up in the week ahead, and there will be a middle way that will happen, or maybe you will win. Okay, now let's see the changes that are coming your way. Gracefully aging. So definitely there are a lot of fears that you have regarding aging. However, aging does not only mean physical aging, okay. Also at times aging means being more matured, all right. So you are going to be more matured in the week ahead. End of an era. So definitely endings and new beginnings are going to happen in the coming week. Wow. And then decisions. Oh my god, this is so awesome. The week ahead we were already normally chariot means moving ahead, but this particular card of this deck has a kind of a decision making happening over here, and that is what is also reflected in this particular card as well. So definitely a week ahead, a lot of important decisions are will be made, okay, and those decisions are going to bring in new beginnings. Now let's see your love life. Unrequited love. So it may so happen, if you're single, you may meet someone who may not reciprocate your feelings, or you may not feel same way as the other person is feeling. So it's very important that you pay attention and you keep yourself a priority. And the ones who are already married, it may so happen that you and your partner may not be on the same page, or if you're in a relationship, you and your partner may not be on the same frequency. So you can always talk it out or seek consultation, all right. So this was your week ahead. Now let's see your charms, your angel message. Okay, let me lower the camera. We'll remove all of it together and then we'll see it one by one, okay? These are your alphabets. Let's see what charms you are getting. Let's see the words. was guided to take only white words this time. Let's see the universe messages. Oops. Okay. Sorry guys, the camera I shook the camera. Sorry. Let's see what universe messages are telling us. Okay. Angel numbers. And crystal messages. Some of you are asking whether I'm a righty or a lefty. I am ambidextrous, which means I can write with my both hands. Okay, so now let's see the alphabets that you have got. Okay. This could be your first names, middle name, last name, initials, or somebody whom you know, their first name, middle name, last name, or maybe your entire name may show up. All right. Okay. Now let's see the words that you have got. You got the word divine. Wow. And you did get the high priestess too. So definitely there will be some divine connect happening in the week ahead. You got gentle. So be gentle with yourself and others. Do not use harsh words with anybody. You got reach. So divine reach is actually a switch word to find whatever it is that is lost. Okay, so something which is lost will be found. Okay, so you can just keep on chanting divine reach. If you lost something, you can just say, for example, you lost a mobile, for example, you can just say divine reach mobile, divine reach love. You got the word from. Let's see what is on help. Okay, so there will be some help from someone which you will take, and there will be divine help available. Wow, that's something so amazing. Now let's see what charms you have got. You got the charm of lock. So a lot of things which were locked will be unlocked. You got the crown, so definitely appreciation coming your way, appreciation, victory. And interestingly, you got the word win over here. So some sort of victory happening in the coming week. You got the heart charm, a lot of love coming your way. So even if you may have an unrequited love experience, please understand this unrequited love is actually divine protection, and the real love will definitely, a lot of loving moments will take place. You got the ducks, you're going to really work hard. You got flowers, so again I feel that you're going to buy some flowers, or you may receive some flowers. You got the girl charm, which means I feel that it's more to do with hair. Some of you are going to get your hair done, or you may go to a salon. You got the charm of time, so definitely it could be that you buy a watch, you get a watch as a gift, or it could be as simple as time management. All right. Now let's see the universe messages. You got happiness is a cup of coffee and a good book. So I see some time you are going to get, and you'll be in terms of spending time with yourself, and you need to find happiness in small things. Again, and see guys, this is so amazing. You got the universe message of the angel, and you got divine. So definitely a lot of angelic and divine help is available to you in the coming week. Now let's see your angel number. You got 54. So positive change is going to come in your life, a major positive change, and the angels are going to support. See, again, angelic support. Almost every charm of everything that I'm removing is talking about divine help, divine support. Isn't that amazing? You got labradorite, which means listen to your intuition, and you are shielded and protected. Wow, so your week ahead looks quite amazing, guys, and a lot of the next week is very important. For sure, it's important. Okay, now we're done with your numbers, charms, alphabets, crystal messages. Now let's pay attention to your wheel of fortune. So think about a question for the week ahead, and let me spin the wheel for you. Okay, so see the wheel of fortune will take the collective energy. So right now it's no. Let's see why it's a no. Let me remove one card for you and understand why it's a no. It's a no because there is going to be something better. Okay, something better, and that's better. Okay, Ace of Sword means a new beginning in terms of logic, practicality. So whatever you're asking, that may not happen, but something better will happen. Okay, something better or completely different. Alright guys, this is your week ahead. I hope you enjoyed this. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And if you have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Hi group 2. So all those of you have chosen this beautiful decoration, Christmas decoration. Here is your message as to how your coming week is going to be. So let's see your message regarding love. Let's see what changes are going to come your way. Let's see message regarding your finances. Let's see the blessings coming your way. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. Let's see a message regarding your health. And now let's see the tarot cards. It just flew. Okay. Okay, let's now see the cards. The Hierophant. So definitely in the beginning of the week, a lot of learning and teaching is going to happen. Importance will be given to traditions, culture. There would be somebody who will be guiding you, or you could be guiding someone. Mental peace would be of importance in the beginning of the week. You may take up something like meditation or some sort of spiritual ritual, or you will listen to some meditation music as well. So definitely the week ahead looks quite peaceful, and a lot of attention will be paid to inner journey. Okay, at the same time, tradition, culture, as I said, will be of importance. Stomach would be of a concern in the first 2 days or next week ahead. Pay attention to your food and beverages. Okay, also to your anxiety. Let's see your next card. You got the card of Hermit. Oh my god, group 2. So much of inner journey and showing light you're going to do. So some of you may do rituals with fire in the week ahead. Also, there will be again an inner journey. You may show light to someone, you may spend some time contemplating on certain things in your life as to what you did, what could go wrong, how you can change certain aspects of your life. So, a lot of contemplation will happen in the week ahead. Also, you need to get more information before taking any sort of decision. All right. Let's your next card. I'm so waiting to see what your next card is going to be. 10 of Pentacles. So the weekend is going to be full of quality time with family. You may have a real physical interaction with your family or relatives, or you may virtually meet them, but a lot of good time happening, security happening. Some of your family members may even give you some sort of gifts, or you may give them gifts. So a lot of inheritance, some of you inheritance will be spoken about. Some sort of conversation regarding inheritance will pop up in the week ahead. Okay, there will be some sort of celebration also happening during the weekend is what I'm hearing. So interestingly, guys, look at your cards. Okay, the first, from like Monday to Thursday, there will be lot of solitude, contemplation happening. Okay, in the week, lot of prayers, rituals happening, and during the weekend you're going to have that good time with family, friends, celebration, or security. Okay, this entire journey of yours, inner journey, will lead to security at the end of the week. Isn't that amazing? I also feel somebody who is respected or looked up to will be helping you in the week ahead. All right, let's see message regarding your health. Sunlight. So you need to pay attention to your vitamin D levels. Okay, at the same time, you should ensure that you don't overexpose yourself to sun, or you're not vitamin D deficient. All right, so that's what you need to pay attention to regarding your health. Also, it's important that you spend some time. I know it's pandemic, but it's also important that you can just get some fresh air. All right, let me keep your card over here. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. Surrender. You need to always be right. At times we need to let go. Okay, at times, just in order to prove that I am right, we may ruin relationship. That does not mean that we lie to people about us not being right, but okay, at times it's important to understand the other person's perspective as well, where the other person is coming from. At times it is quite possible that you and the other person both are right, or it could just be that the situation was such that you both couldn't be on the same page, but even though you're on a different page, you are right. Okay, so it's extremely important to listen to the other person's perspective with an open mind, and not with an attitude that, hey, I'm right, but still I listen to you. That doesn't really help. So keep an open mind, listen to the other person's perspective as well, and we all can be wrong. Okay, we are humans at the end of the day. Okay, now let's see what blessing is coming your way in the week ahead. A blessing on the senses that give the world to you. So definitely there will be good food there, and your clairs, that is your clairsentience, your clairvoyance, clairaudience, all your clairs are going to be really heightened in the week ahead. So pay attention to your clairs. Okay, that's what this card is saying. Now let's see your financial message. So welcome to planet Earth. You're here to seek joy. So there is going to be some sort of new beginning happening with regards to finances, and this card is trying to tell you, that this new beginnings will lead to joy, okay, especially with regards to family. I also feel that some of you are worried about your family's financial future, so this card is asking you to stop worrying and let me read it out for you. If we're talking to you on your first day here, we would say, welcome to planet Earth. There is nothing that you cannot be or do or have, and your work here, your lifetime career, is to seek joy. As you think thoughts that feel good to you, you will be in harmony with who you really are, and in doing so, you'll utilize your profound freedom. Seek joy first, and all the growth that you could ever imagine will come joyously and abundantly to you. So, as I said, there is going to be a new beginning with regards to your finances, and you need to see, if you're going to seek fear, okay, oh my god, people are being laid off, finances are low, that means you're seeking, information which is not that good. So you are in the vibration of not feeling good, being fearful. With that, you cannot attract good things. I'm not asking you to be delusional in any which way. I'm just asking you that yes, we understand that we have to take practical steps to ensure that we are taken care of. But constant thinking negative thoughts does not help anybody with regards to your health, finances, love. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, guys. So let's see the next card. New career. Wow. And see, just said new beginnings. So definitely there will be something new that will happen in your career. It could be a new job. It could be some new work that you may be assigned at your job. If you are into business, there'll be something new that you will bring into your business. If you are a housewife, a homemaker, then there will be some sort of new activity that will take place, okay, than your daily normal routine. Let's see a message regarding your love. You got children. So children would be of importance in the week ahead. If you are single, then you would feel like adopting a pet, or you may spend time with your nephew and nieces. And that's how love does not only mean romantic love. Romantic love is a part of the entire form of love. So definitely you will be spending a lot of time with your nephew, nieces, or your pets, or maybe even helping a pet. If you're already married, and you may contemplate of starting a family, or you would be your focus would be your children, okay, and that because of that you may not get time for each other or for your partner. So ensure that you maintain that balance, okay. So this was your week ahead, guys. Now let's see your charms, your messages, okay, other messages. Let me lower the camera for you. Okay, so let's see one by. First, we'll remove everything in terms of the charms and all, and then we'll look at it one by one. Okay. All right. Let's look at the charms. Right, now let's see the alphabets. Pick up this. Let's see your universe messages. So many of you ask me, am I lefty, am I righty? I'm ambidextrous, guys. So I can write with both my hands, and I in day-to-day life I use my right hand. Alright, so it's not purposely that I'm using my left hand to pick charms and all, it just happens. Okay. All right. The reason I'm bringing this up because I did read some comments in which people were inquisitive, so I thought I'd address it. All right. Okay. So, yeah, crystal message. Alright, so let's look at it one by one. We will first see the alphabets. This could be your full name that may pop up in this alphabets, or it could be your first name, middle name, last name, initials. Alright, these are the word alphabets. I do see wit. The words that you got as people, sort of a lot of other people are going to be of importance in the coming week. You got quickly, so a lot of things are going to move ahead. You got not. Let me see what is the word behind. Oops. Okay, not are. Okay, not, which means no. Okay. ing, sun. Okay, I'll look at this way, sun, and look at the other word that you got, sunshine. So guys, there's definitely a sun element which is going to be of importance. For me, sun represents good health, fame, prosperity, brightness, illumination. So all that is going to happen to you, and this is the third sun element which you have got in your cards. Okay, you did get this sunlight, so you got the sun, sunshine, sunlight, sort of yellow. You know, you may incorporate something of yellow in your week ahead. And interestingly, you got citrine, which is again a sun element in this. Okay, sort of prosperity, good luck coming your way in the week ahead, guys. Money coming your way. Wow. And you also got the hermit card, in which this person is working with the fire element. So you know, you may get candles as a gift, or there will be some sort of fire work that you will do, working with the fire. All right, but definitely you're going to, and you know, guys, see this hierophant, it talks about illumination. All right, so and you got sun thrice, so a lot of illumination happening, a lot of knowledge downpour. Let's see the charms. You got the cage, so you're going to break free. You got the rose, which means a lot of love coming your way. You got the wheel of fortune, which you got the wheel, which means some of you could travel literally, or there will be some sort of movement happening, or you may visit a psychic also. You got goddess Lakshmi feet, which is again a confirmation of prosperity, abundance coming your way. And you got new career also. Some of you are going to have a really amazing week ahead. You got the heart charm, sort of love coming your way. Wow, love and heart and roses. So romantic week ahead. Okay. Wow, you got the universe messages, be so good that they can't ignore you. So you have to put your best foot forward, guys. I think some of you may have interviews or meetings, presentation in the week ahead. Super mom, so definitely you're going to multitask. Some of you may even meet your mom, or if you are a mother, you're doing a good job. Okay, you got the children card as it is. Okay, so you're doing a good job. Some of you may even receive a news of somebody delivering a baby. You got Gemini, so either you could be Gemini, or somebody of who is a Gemini will be of importance. You got life is a beautiful ride. And if I'm not mistaken, you got something related to travel? No. Okay, so definitely you need to adopt this attitude. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. So this card is us, see this particular card that you got. Surrender, you need to be always right. So it may so happen that you may do some error and you would be like so upset about it. So please understand that this is trying to tell you the same thing. Okay, we all do mistakes, we are not the divine. All right, let's see your angel number. You got 64 and 21, which means all your material needs are going to be met. There are lots of angels supporting you. Have faith, and lot of things are going to manifest. So keep your thoughts positive. Wow, so these are your messages, guys. We did your numbers, crystal, alphabets, charms, universe messages, and now time for the wheel of fortune. Let me pick the camera up. So now think about a question for the week ahead, and let me spin the wheel for you. Okay, the answer is yes, but I did not spin the wheel properly, but still. Jackpot! Wow! Guys, did you see you got so many amazing elements? So this week is definitely going to be something really major is going to happen for most of you. Please remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave what does not. Take care. Bye bye. Hello group 3. So all those of you have chosen this beautiful silver drum. Here is your message. All right, we'll first see the love message regarding how your week is going to be ahead. We'll see what changes are going to come your way in the week ahead. All right. We'll then see message regarding your finances. Blessing coming your way. Did I remove changes for you? Yes, I did. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. Okay. Message regarding your health. Let's see what your tarot cards are telling us. Okay, so let's see now. What's your first tarot card? 10 of Pentacles. So definitely the week ahead you're going to meet your relatives or family, or there could be a virtual meeting happening in which you'll be discussing about something of relevance. It could be regarding some ancestral property or some inheritance, or it could be investments related to family. So some of you may actually invest something for your family or on your family's behalf, is what this card is saying. Definitely a lot of security coming your way. You will feel secure in the week ahead. There will be some sort of family get together or some celebration also happening in the week ahead. Let's see your next card. 5 of Pentacles. Okay, you got 2 pentacle cards. So money is definitely going to be of importance in the week ahead. In mid of the week, you may feel insecure or you may feel neglected. So please understand that, okay, that there is a lot of inner work that you will need to do in order to get out of that insecurity. I also feel that whatever this discussion or this investment that you will be doing regarding your family, since you would be this may lead to some sort of feeling insecure, okay, related to money. Also, this card is asking you to take help, okay. Help is available, take it. Now let's see what your third card is telling us. You got the Justice card. So for some people, I feel that there would be a family meeting regarding inheritance which may not go well, and you may feel that you're not getting what you deserve, and you may think of taking a legal path. This is for some of you, okay, not all of you. Whereas during the weekend, okay, so next week I feel there will be a lot of paperwork happening. Legality, formalities will be happening in the week ahead, especially during the weekend as well. I also feel that it may so happen that collectively as a family, you guys will be deciding something, okay. As a family, there will be a lot of decisions taken regarding finances, especially. All right, you will be getting whatever you have sown, you will be getting the fruits of it during the weekend, okay. I also feel that there will be some sort of family dispute which you will be resolving in the week ahead, or there is some sort of dispute happening in the family which would require your intervention clearly, okay. And what I am hearing is that negotiation and middle way would be better than anything else, okay. Let me just take this a little bit ahead. Okay, let's see your next card. Improving health. So all those of you who were facing some sort of health issue, this is good news, but that does not mean you do not see a doctor or you do not take your medicine. This is just a message regarding your health. Let me keep your card over here. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. Surrender to divine timing. So it may so happen that whatever you have been asking, okay, it may not happen in the time frame that you want, but it will happen in the time frame that the divine wants. All right, so don't give up because you feel that whatever I'm praying is not happening fast enough. All right, you keep on doing your prayers, you keep on taking action that is required, but be patient. Trust in the divine timing, because there are a lot of factors which the divine takes into consideration before making a thing happen. See, if your wish is small, it normally manifests pretty fast. But if your wish involves a lot of people, then it is going to take a little bit of time, because so many free wills have to be taken into consideration. So if you want to have a great week ahead, surrender to divine timing. Let's see what blessing is coming your way. A blessing for a mother. So if you're a mother, you're going to have some good quality time with your children. Your children may do something very special for you, which may really make you feel good. Also, the ones whose mothers have passed away to the other realm, they're sending their love to you, okay. But for mother, I see a lot of love coming your way, and your heart chakra is going to shine in the week ahead, is what I'm getting. I also feel some of the moms may receive some sort of gift in the form of crystal jewelry, is what I am getting. Let's see what your finances are telling us. My what is need not influence my what is becoming. So regarding whatever your finances are right now, they will become better. Don't let your current financial scenario decide how your future finances are going to be. All right, because in the future you can take more efforts, you can manifest more money by trying alternate options. So whatever is the present reality, it does not mean it will remain as it is forever, okay. It will become better. Let's see what changes are coming your way. Keep the faith. So definitely it may so happen that your faith will be tested in the week ahead, but you will keep your faith strong, okay. You will not let your faith be shaken up by anything. All right, Let's see. Oh my god, finances and career. Guys, next week the main theme is money. You are going to be so occupied with your finances, with your career, that you may not pay attention to your love life, is what this card is telling me. Also, it's important that you look at finances. At the same time, you also pay attention to your love life, because we live a whole life, isn't it? And interestingly, you got two pentacle cards, which again talk about finances being an important theme in the week ahead, and the justice card, which means a lot of paperwork, a lot of investments, okay, proper investments also happening. Some of you will be focusing on bank transactions as well. Insurance, bank transaction is what I'm getting. So now let's see what your charms. Let me lower the camera for you. So let's see crystal messages, charms, and what other messages are for you. So we'll pick up everything together and then we'll see it one by one. Okay. Let me pick up. Oops, so sorry, so sorry. I keep on shaking the camera. Number, alphabet, sorry, words. Oops. Universe messages. And we'll pick up some alphabets too. Alright, so let's see everything one by one. We'll first see the words that you've got. You got R, love, you got blue, will, our love, okay? Our love will blue. So some our love. So definitely your love will see. Your love will, let's pick up one more word to make it, understand what your love is going to be. Okay, let's pick up one more word. What your love will be. So you got neighbors, you got upstairs, you got juice. Okay, so definitely your love is going to be more juicy, and upstairs, which means growth. Okay, so your love is going to grow and become more interesting in the week ahead. All right, will could be will represents your willpower. Okay, so definitely your willpower is going to be quite strong in the week ahead. Neighbors would be of some help or importance in the week ahead. All right, now let's see your words, sorry, alphabets. All right, G-O-L, O, lot of O's. Okay, So these are the words. Your full name could be in this word, or first name, middle name, last name, initials, or somebody who's of importance, their first name, last name, middle name, initials, or there could be of some word which is of importance. You can have a look at it. Now let's see your charms. You got the plane, so definitely a lot of growth happening. Some of you could even travel. You got the conch, which means something to do with the sea. Some of you may visit sea, or you may have some water element coming in your home, like a fountain, or maybe you'll pay attention to the water element. You got the gun charm, which means that you will be focusing, okay, on your goals. You got the beautiful girl emoji charm, which means you're going to pay attention to your looks, or you may, you may go to the salon because she's quite dolled up. All right, and the bow is also saying, so definitely a lot of shopping happening, especially of clothes and accessories. You got the hat charm, which means some sort of achievement is what I'm getting. You got the heart with flowers. So as they say in Hindi, dil garden ho gaya. Okay, so a lot of your heart is going to bloom. Okay, you got the elephant charm and India, so some of you may travel to India, and the elephant charm is telling me a lot of royalty, luxury, growth happening in the week ahead. And elephant is associated with Gajalakshmi and Goddess Lakshmi. So a lot of blessings, sorry for that, a lot of blessings coming your way from Goddess Lakshmi. So a lot of prosperity too. Let's see your word. Wow, you got 24. Okay, 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 is the Venus element. Okay, so again luxury, which was shown in the charm. So guys, 2 plus 4 means, which means have faith, the angels are supporting you. And 2 plus 4 is 6, which means your material needs will be provided for. Do not worry. You got the sunstone crystal, which means sunstone is a stone of success, especially with regards to career. So there will be success with regards to career is what this crystal is telling us. Now let's see what storm don't last forever. So the message this is trying to tell you, that whatever is not right will become all right. Okay, there's nothing to worry. You got self-love, so keep yourself a priority. Spend some time in self-care. Okay. Oh my God, I just said make yourself a priority, and see, to find yourself, think for yourself. So again, pay attention to yourself. Okay. You got the somebody who is very young may send a lot of love to you. There will be a lot of admiration happening. Some unicorn element will be added into your life. It could be that you may buy something like a unicorn book, or you may buy a unicorn t-shirt, or there will be some unicorn element coming in the week ahead. All right, so we did your words, alphabets, charms, angel numbers, crystals, universe messages, guys. Now let's see your wheel of fortune. Okay, all right, let me shift the camera a little bit over here. Okay, so think about a question for the week ahead, and let me spin the wheel for you. You got the answer yes. So awesome, guys. So guys, do take care of yourself. Your week looks pretty good. Yes, finances are going to be of importance, so enjoy that as well. And the good news, your health is going to improve. Isn't that awesome? So guys, do like my channel, do subscribe to it if you enjoy the content. If you want to watch more pick a card readings, you can go to my playlist pick a card and see all those amazing pick a cards over there. On all topics almost I've done a pick a card, whether it's career, love. So have a look at it guys. Take care. Bye bye.